Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to show you how my clients are getting their credit to jump the way that you see here. So I know I showed you that screenshot before, but look at this jump right here. 74 points. This is not normal. People usually don't see their credit jump 74 points. That just don't happen, right? That's not normal, but for those people that's looking to buy a house, this is something that they need to see. So this is a great jump right here, and I want to show you how you can actually do this. So first, let me say this. When you're looking to boost your credit score, you need to understand a few things. So let's go into this client's credit reports here. Let's look at their Equifax. There's a few things. So you can see that they have 100% payment history right now, which is amazing. That's great. So we need that 100%. Their credit card usage is at 0%. Great utilization. That's really good. You really want to keep this right here. You want to keep that under 5%. And these derogatory marks, that's the thing that when you start working on those derogatory marks and you start getting those removed, that's the thing that's going to really help boost your credit. And guess what? I'm here to show you exactly how to work on removing that from your credit reports. So I want to show you how I actually help my clients remove this from their credit reports, or anybody that's a part of my exclusive membership. So people can join my exclusive membership for just $1 to start, right? And I want to show you how they're actually using what I'm teaching them to remove these accounts from their credit reports to help boost their credit score. So the first thing I want you to do is you have to sign for the exclusive membership. That's the first thing. Or you have to already have some letters. Now I'm going to show you one of my example letters here. It's one of my example letters that I actually did live before for just to show you guys how it worked. And I showed you if you want to remove accounts from your credit reports, all you got to do is list each account that you want to get removed from your credit reports, and you have to send out 3 letters to all 3 credit bureaus. But let me show you exactly the accounts that you may need to look into to go ahead and remove them. So go to Credit Karma and look right here on derogatory marks. So if you look right here on derogatory marks, Credit Karma, they have 2 different credit reports. They have TransUnion, they have Equifax. So you technically need to send out 2 letters based off of this, right? You need to send some to TransUnion and Equifax, and I show you how you can actually send it to Experian too. So what I want you to do is I want you to look here and look under Equifax and see the accounts that you still need to get removed. So when you send out letters to the credit bureaus to remove these accounts, that's how you're going to see that great increase, kind of like what I already showed you before. So we have Equifax here. Let's kind of edit the letter that we have now so that you guys can see how it works. So on Equifax, we have the Midland Credit Management and we have the NCB. So let's go to look on Equifax. So yeah, what you'll do is say if you have these accounts, let's actually edit this right here. I'm going to edit this one with you right here so you can see how it works. So they actually only have 2 accounts. So let's delete these 2. And what you want to do is you want to just copy the name of the company. So this is the first name of the company. And just put that right here where the name is. So for each account, you have the name, you have the account number if you have that. And then you're going to leave this here, not mine, no contract, not liable, unverified. You want to keep that here and then delete this account. Delete and remove it from my credit reports. You want to keep that there too. All you want to do is just literally input the name. And then right here, you have some things right here. That's what's really going to help get your account deleted. The things that I say in my letters is the thing that really helps clients get the account deleted. So you want to keep this here. But let's copy that last account. And if you're using Credit Karma, you could technically use Credit Karma to do this. When I first started off helping people, we didn't know account numbers. So we would just put the name of the account and then we will remove that account number. But say if you are using Identity IQ, so I told you guys, and I'll have the link in the description, you can get all 3 of your credit reports for just $1 with Identity IQ. Use Identity IQ, you can get all 3 of your credit reports, and you can list all of your accounts. You don't have to play the guessing game. So now we have the letter together for Equifax. Now this is fake information, you guys. I just put that there, but you'll put your name here, you'll put your address, social security number, and your date of birth. You have to put that in there, you guys. This is what's going to make the credit bureau know who you are. That way, when you tell them, hey, these are accounts I need you to delete, you're going to have a greater chance of getting those accounts deleted if you make sure you have that correct information. Now, don't forget, you have 3 different credit reports. So only ones that Credit Karma is giving us is Equifax, TransUnion, and we have to make up Experian. So let's go to our TransUnion, and they have 4 accounts here. So let's copy the name of these accounts. Let's copy that to our TransUnion letter. So our TransUnion letter is here. So let me see if any of these accounts match. So Midland, no, none of these accounts match. So let me show you what I would do. I would literally just copy this. Copy the name of each of these accounts. And then I kind of want to delete that account number. Copy the names of these accounts. Like, it's literally this simple. And paste it here. And you have 2 of these accounts right here. So you want to make sure you copy this one twice. You want to put that on here twice. Sometimes I'll tell my clients to put the balance. So I'll tell my clients to put the balance so that they'll at least know which account it is. So if you want to put your balance, instead of putting that account number right here, you'll just put the balance. So that's something you can do. But just putting the name of the account, they'll know. They know. They don't want to get it's your credit report. They don't want to have your credit report. They know what you mean when you just put the name of the account. So let's go ahead and just add that here. Perfect. So now listen, I told y'all we don't have your credit reports for Experian. So what I want you to do when you have this type of problem, and let me actually move this down to make sure that it's all on one letter. But what I want you to do is I want you to copy these accounts and put them right here on your Experian. So what you can do is just go ahead and just copy. Let's copy TransUnion since they have the most. And some of these accounts may be the same. So you want to double check to see if they're the same. Now, if you're like me, if you don't have your Experian credit report, I don't want you to guess like the spelling, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So let me copy all of these on here, and then I'll show you what I mean by guess the spelling. I don't want you to guess how Experian has these accounts spelled on your credit report. Spelled on your credit report. So let's see. So like, look right here. These accounts may be duplicate. Most likely, if we look, the NCB, let's look at the balance. This one is $2,700. And if we go to Equifax, it's $2,700. But how it's spelled is different. And I don't want to guess which spelling they have. So I'm just going to put both of them on there. And if they send you a letter back, they may say, hey, this account is not reporting your credit reports. It's not going to hurt you to do that. Trust me, it's not going to hurt you. Just leave it just like that. And look right here, the Midland Credit Management. Midland Credit Management and Midland Cred, these probably are the same too. So let's go and look at that again. So this one right here is 1,000. And this Midland right here is 1,000. It's the same account with Community Capital Bank. That's the original creditor. So yeah, I will just leave this just like this. And remember, you want to edit your name, edit your address, edit your social security number and your date of birth. And you will literally send this letter in just like this to the credit bureaus. And you see how at first it was on one page, but now it's flowing to the second page? That's fine. That's fine. Or you can send in 20 copies if you needed to. I remember once I had a client with over 40 accounts on their credit reports, and I listed all 40 accounts. And when I told you most of them accounts got deleted, and I usually tell people don't put too many accounts on there. Don't put more than 20. Don't put more than 10 on there. Depending on what you want to do, how fast you want to get it done. But if you put a lot of accounts on there, you'll be fine. I literally, when I get a client coming in, like if there's something wrong with that account, we dispute that account right away. We don't delay it. But this is what you'll do. And you'll get this letter and you'll send it into Experian. So if you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, I give you all the address to the credit bureaus. If you guys are not a part of my exclusive membership, all you have to do is just Google it. What is Experian's mailing address? And don't forget, it's only $1 to sign up for my exclusive membership. So when you sign up, you'll have the option to actually get all of these letters to do it yourself, right? You'll have all the letters to do it yourself. I'll teach you step by step more into detail than what we're doing right now. Or you can actually have the option of getting a free credit repair, where we'll actually do it for you for free because you're already a member. All we're basically doing is paying 55 cents to mail out this letter for you because it's going to cost you 55 cents to mail it. That's all we basically doing it. And I feel like it's better that a letter is going out than for you not to send a letter at all. So that's why I decided, you know what, let's just send a letter in for people, because some people have access to do this. Some people like, I don't want to do it though. I have the access. And, I'm just so busy. I don't want to learn all this. Can you just do it for me for free? And you will have that option, but you will still have a copy of the letter. But definitely, you guys, this is how I help my clients boost their credit score, where you'll be able to see different results like this. This client recently got something removed from their credit reports, and look, 74 points. That's like amazing. And if you guys have any questions, call or text me anytime. I'm always here for you guys. And hopefully this is something that you guys can start working on right away. But for real, if you have negative accounts to your credit reports, that's the first thing that you want to handle. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.